Pile cap steelworks installation and connection with pile overlap. Pile preparation. The pile cap is a large reinforced concrete element designed to distribute loads from the structure to the piles. After pile driving or boring, the top of the piles is cleaned and cut to the design level. Pile head preparation. The pile heads are exposed to ensure a clean connection between the piles and the pile cap. Pile reinforcement, typically rebar, is extended above the cutoff level by a certain overlap length to bond with the pile cap reinforcement. Setting up shuttering formwork. Shuttering or formwork is installed around the pile cap area, forming the perimeter for concrete placement. Ensure the formwork is robust and can withstand the pressure of the concrete pour. Reinforcement installation. Steel reinforcement for the pile cap is placed according to the design drawings. This usually consists of 2 layers of steel reinforcement in both directions, bottom and top layers. The reinforcement bars from the piles, overlap bars, are tied with the pile cap reinforcement to ensure continuity of the load transfer. The overlap length between the pile reinforcement and pile cap bars follows the structural design, typically following a formula based on the diameter of the bars, often 40 times the diameter of the bar. Checking the alignment and levels. The steel reinforcement, including the connection between the pile bars and pile cap steel, is checked for proper placement, alignment, and cover as per the design. The reinforcement should have appropriate spacers to ensure adequate concrete cover. Concrete pouring. Concrete is poured into the pile cap formwork, ensuring proper compaction, usually done with vibrators. The concrete is cast around the piles, bonding the pile cap and the piles through the reinforcement overlap. Curing and removal of formwork. After concrete setting, the pile cap is cured to gain strength. Formwork is removed once the concrete has achieved sufficient strength, ensuring the pile cap and pile connection is intact and load-bearing.